What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, just spit. Definitely just spit. Guys, today I want to talk about why the Discover It card is so popular, why Discover is everyone's first card, and why it is so successful. Let's talk about why. Let's get it. Simply put, Discover continues to impress their customers, their shareholders, anyone involved in their company. They are competing with people like Chase and American Express, and they continue to provide excellent and outstanding service to their customers. Now, I believe the reason why they're thriving and the reason why they're doing so well right now is because of two reasons. First reason, they're excellent at customer support. They have an incredible US-based customer support that I'm going to go into later this video, and they're also very simple to use. Their user experience is incredible. You know what you're gonna get. They're not writing all this text. You know exactly what the rewards are, and it's very simple to understand this. I kind of think of Discover cards like the Chick-fil-A of credit cards. Their service is always damn easy. Chick-fil-A doesn't throw up a million cards in their menu. They keep it very simple, they keep it very user-friendly, and they invest a lot into their customer support. But how do they allow their employees to be so nice, and why are they always so damn nice? Well, this is my theory, and this is why I believe it's true. I did a little bit of digging and tried to put myself in the shoes of a person who wants to become a Discover It employee or Discover employee. I went on Indeed, which if you guys don't know, that's where you sign up for jobs. If you're looking for a job, you go on Indeed, and Discover's company had 2,000 reviews and they had 4 out of 5 stars. Now that's an incredible review for that many people to have experience with Discover. I saw that these customer reps were making anywhere from like $11 to $16, and I feel like that's pretty damn good if you're just on the phone chilling, talking to people for a few hours, but that's not the reason why they're doing so well, and that's not the reason why they're so nice. Now, when I was on the website, it really ranged. I think it's very wide because it's such a nationwide company that if you live in one area where the minimum wage is incredibly low, they're gonna rate it at that, or if you work with a different position with more experience in a different part of the US, they're gonna pay you more. I think this is incredible though, because first of all, like I mentioned, Discover is helping our economy because they're actually providing jobs within the United States. I know like Chase and American Express, they do outsource part of their customer service support to India and the Philippines, and those mofos are spending like $3 an hour on these guys, and these people are spending $11 to $16 an hour just to have a better customer support experience. Now, a Discover support customer rep, I read online that they got benefits with dental, vision, their 401k, their health. They got all these damn benefits, so that's why it doesn't surprise me that they're such good customer support reps, because they're already getting treated well. On top of the customer support and the simple interface, Discover does something that a lot of companies don't do, but they actually focus on a younger demographic, and that's our demographic, millennials. So they really do focus on people that are just getting into credit cards, college students, people that can be with them for a lifetime, because if you refer someone to a credit card company, the reason why they give so much to you is because they get a lot if you're a lifetime customer. You sign up at 20 years old, we're probably gonna die at 80, 100. If y'all probably, if you guys are having a healthy, active lifestyle just as me, you're probably gonna live up to 200 years old. So you can see how much that's gonna profit them. But Discover does focus a lot on the younger demographic. They offer incentives such as getting good grades, and who are gonna get good grades? It's the younger demographic. Yeah, above us we had the baby boomers, but millennials, we are strong. We are strong in number. So because Discover markets towards this demographic, they're really killing it right now. Just because if you go to a college, and I know if I go to college, I'm gonna see Discover It cards flying out of people's. It is the card that college students tend to get first. Now, on top of the good grades, the customer support, and the ease of use, they also give you free FICO scores. I feel like Discover has nailed down like the perfect basics of just a credit card company. They focus on customer support, and they offer these free little things that it's just nice to have. If you guys have ever tried to increase your credit line with them, they're super open to do that. If you guys have been a user with them for a long time, they're gonna increase your credit line, and they're very, very, very nice about it. And guys, if you're even nice enough, I've heard that they're open to waiving your first misstatement, and you know, you gotta be really nice about this, and you gotta have them on a really good day. But one of my friends tested this, and he purposely missed his monthly statement, and he gave him a call and was like, yo, I didn't pay off my monthly statement on time. Is this can y'all do something for me? They actually waived the first fee, or they didn't charge them for that. On top of that, they add that pre-approval tool, which is freaking incredible. You can check whether or not you have a good chance of being approved for the credit card. And most importantly, Discover is open to taking on new customers, okay? They don't deny customers because they don't have a long enough credit history. They'll take on a lot of people and trust a lot of people, which I believe is incredible. They're not like, Chase, you stupid motherfuckers. Alright guys, but that's really why Discover's doing well. No matter what you're in right now, if it's a corporation, if you're in school, or if you're trying to start your own business, I would look at what Discover has done, because they're not the biggest fish in the ocean right now. They're not the top competitors or the leading credit card companies right now, but they have done a great job so far. And that's because they focus on two things, you guys. That is customer support and that's user experience. It's very simple to use, and I know that if I call them, I'm gonna have a good experience and they're not gonna give me an issue like I've had with other credit card companies in the past. I hope you guys were able to learn something from this video. If you guys did, make sure you let me know down below. If you guys have had an incredible experience with Discover as well, or maybe if you didn't, share a story down below. Let us know. It's a community down here and I wanna share that. If you guys haven't checked our other Facebook group as well, we have the credit card churner group, and in this group we talk a little bit more about travel hacks, credit cards, stuff like that. So if you guys are interested, make sure you check out that group as well. But I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.